ठीक है, आप स्टार्ट कर दो।
Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Lavanya, the HR manager at Flickr Technology. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to this session. Today, I'm here to introduce you to an exciting full stack training and internship opportunity, which is designed specially for students and freshers who want to build a strong career in the IT industry. So, in this video, I'll cover about Flickr technology, details of a full stack training program, internship opportunities that you'll gain after completing this training program, benefits and certification you'll gain from this program, and the complete syllabus of the training program. So, I request you to listen carefully till the end, as this opportunity can be a turning point in your professional journey. Let me tell you about Flickr technology. Let me start by giving you a brief introduction about Flickr Technology Web Solutions. Flickr Technology is a leading provider of innovative, scalable, and secure IT solutions, working with businesses as well as government bodies. Our mission is to support organizations in their digital transformation journey through advanced technology and reliable services. We are focusing on delivering tailored solutions that align with client goals, improving operational efficiency, and driving long term business successes. So, our vision is basically to empower organizations through advanced technology, and our mission is to deliver reliable, scalable, and customized IT solutions and build future ready tech professionals. So, here are the core offices and the solutions which we are providing to our clients. So, the core services which we are providing are basically into AI services and solutions, web and mobile development, government portals. We are also providing services to government, cybersecurity services, wherein we provide secure services to our clients, and we are also providing cloud solutions, wherein we are providing storing data solutions to our clients, custom software development, and we are also providing 24 by 7 IT support and consulting. So, diving deep into the core services, so basically we have cybersecurity and cloud services apart. So, in cybersecurity, we are basically focusing on risk assessment and threat protection. We are basically also into security audits and endpoint and network security. And in cloud solutions, we are providing cloud migration and deployment, infrastructure management, and cost effective hosting. And coming to web and mobile development, we are providing services into custom website and web app development. We are also providing services like mobile app development, which are basically we are into iOS and Android. We are handling both iOS and Android, and we are also providing our services into e-commerce and portal solutions. And coming to the AI services and solutions, we are basically providing services for predictive analytics for the future growth, and we are into AI chatbots, intelligent automation, machine learning models, and development. And coming to the services that we provide to government and enterprise solution, we are basing providing services into citizen service platforms, secure admin interfaces, e-governance applications, ERP and CRM developments, and API integration. So, by why basically you can choose Flickr technology. So, we are basically providing this internship opportunity and this program. So, we are basically a certified IT professional, and we are basically into client first approach, wherein we are focusing on our client at first. We are scalable and secure solution, and we are providing a transparent process as you can go through all the services and the solutions which we are providing to our clients and also to our professionals. And we have proven industry track record which you can check over our which you can check over our website. So definitely you can go through our services and you can go for Flickr technology. Okay, so at Flickr Technology, we strongly believe in nurturing talent, and that's why we have designed this training and internship program. Okay, so let me just walk you through the training, full stack training and internship program. So, this program is basically designed for students, freshers, and beginners who wants to go from beginner to immediate learners. So, here in the program, you'll learn basic to advanced full stack development, and wherein you will get approach to industry focus and practical experience. We'll provide you the practical experience and you will go through all the coding part, and we'll provide you projects in order to go through all the all the coding parts and all the learning which you'll get through the program. Okay, so let me just walk you through the training batch details. So the batch basically starts from 26th of December 2025 this year only, and the days which we are providing are from Monday to Friday, which are the 5 days of the week. And the timings are flexible as per your convenience. You can choose the time, which is from 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m., and based on your convenience, you can choose the time in between. And the duration of this training program is from 30 to 45 days. So here is the training structure. So the training structure of this program is basically so the training program, our training follows a practical and industry oriented approach. So basically we are providing a training program from basic to advanced concepts. So like the students who don't have any prior experience, they don't need any prior experience. We are providing step by step learning to our students, and we are providing real time examples and hands on coding session wherein you can learn the coding parts and you can learn from the real time examples. So now coming to the weekend project, so we are providing every weekend you will receive a real time project wherein the project must be submitted within the given time limit. And after the successful submission, you will receive a project certification, which is 100% free industrial training. So like every weekend you will get the opportunity to participate in the weekend project, and you will be working on the real world application based on the task. And the submission is mandatory, which you have to be
Hello?
which has to be provided
हाँ
by the end of the weekend.
नहीं
So
अरे
here
वो
is the detail
चल
of
रहा
the
है
weekend
मीटिंग
project
वो
and the training structure. So let me
नहीं
just
बोलना
walk you through the
अब वो
next slide,
रिकॉर्डिंग हाँ आ
which
जाएगा
is the industrial training.
हाँ
So the
सावन
industrial
क्या लग
training
रहा था
which we are
अपने को
providing.
भैया से पूछना
So
मैं ये
the so
टेबल
let
से
me tell
भरा था
you, the industrial training is 100
हाँ तो
percent
चाय
free.
पत्ती सबका
So
है
the training which we are providing is totally
हाँ
free. There
मेंबरशिप
is
दिला देना और
no training
सारा
fees,
तो
no
भरवाने वाले को बिठा
anything,
लेना क्या पता
no
कब
fees
ज्वाइन
at
कर ले
all, and there is no
वो तो
stipend during the training program, as
हाँ
we are
एक महीने
basically
में
into industrial sector.
19 तारीख तक
So
मेरे
there
पेपर
is
हो
no
जाएंगे सारे
stipend
बच्चों
during
के लिए
the training program. This is an industry level exposure. It is not just theory, but our goal is to make you for job ready, not just for the certification basis, but you will get through the real world
ऐसा कुछ
example,
याद नहीं
and
है
you
वैसे
will
तो
will
10 किलो
walk you through
आटा
the
है
real
बस
world coding era.
हम्म
Okay, so
हाँ उसकी
you
बात
will
नहीं
get the
मुझे नहीं पता
exposure. So now let me just walk you through the internship opportunity which you'll get after the training program. So as the training program is totally free, so post training,
आप पेपर कब
so
होएंगे मेरे
we'll be providing an internship opportunities,
तुम्हारा पता ही चलेगा
which
हाँ
like the profile will be full stack developer, and you will be working
अच्छा
on live industry projects wherein you will learn professional
हाँ
development and practices. So let
अच्छा
me just after successful completion of this training program, the eligible candidates will get an opportunity for a paid internship. Okay, so the internship details are here, as in
अच्छा
like
क्या बोलिए फिर
the stipend will be from 15,000 to 20,000 per month, but the stipend will be dependent upon your performance which you have gone through in the training program. So like the
यार
stipend
मेरे
can
तो
vary
काम
from
खत्म हो
15
फिर
to
मैं देखूंगी
20,000
कब
as
भरेंगे
per,
तुम
and the stipend depends upon the performance, training program and project quality which you will be providing in the training
अभी दिन
program.
में नहीं था फिर अभी
And
जब तुम मेरे से
during
आई
the
हम वहां पे
internship,
बात
let
कर
me
रहे थे वो
just change the
उसका पूछ
slide.
रहे थे
Oh no,
यूट्यूब का
okay. So during the internship
मैं
project,
बहुत
you will
क्लास ले
work
रहे थे
upon the live projects and you will gain real corporate exposure. And you'll also
हाँ पर
collaborate
अभी
with
तो काम करने में
experienced
तो याद भी आएगा
developers and
तो
build a strong
ऐसा कुछ मेरे
professional
को था नहीं लगा।
portfolio, which is really great for your future end. And this internship can be a stepping stone
वही तो
for
लगता है
your
तो
full
अपन ले ही
time role
लेते हैं।
in the IT industry, which I'll totally recommend to you all. Okay, so the benefits. So the
हाँ
benefits which you will get after
हाँ
the program. So here are the
जाके देखना
benefits.
नहीं
So
दिलाएंगे
let me just
दिला
highlight
देगा
the
वैसे
key
बोलता है वो
benefits
तो।
you will receive after completing the training program. So the first is project certificate, like
हाँ
which will be provided for every submitted project that you will be submitting by the end of the weekend, which I have already told you earlier. And
तू
you will
वहाँ ले
also
तो वही
receive
रहेगा।
training completion certificate,
ले ले।
and after that you will also get
अच्छा
internship completion certificate and a recommendation letter which is based upon a performance. So these certificates adds a real value to your resume, and it can also
बताया
help
ना अभी तो।
you to stand out during placements and interviews.
ला ले।
Okay, so here are some full stack technology that
अगरबत्ती नहीं
so
लगा
here
सकते
is the
बत्ती
course
अगरबत्ती का कर देना
description
होता है।
wherein you'll get through the full stack technology. So like
उससे
we are
टाइम भी चल
providing
जाएगा
into
काम करते
React.js,
करते।
Node.js, and MongoDB. So React.js is basically into front-end development. Node.js is basically into
अगर
back-end
ऑर्डर
development,
कर
and
लेना शॉर्ट
MongoDB
का।
is basically into database management. So
मेरे को
diving
टाइम ही
into
नहीं है
React.js,
तो।
which is into the front end. So
चलो
the
वीडियो
syllabus which we
कंटिन्यू
are
रख।
providing is
क्या
into
बोलते तो
introduction to
कैंडिडेट भी किसी को
React.js,
एमबीबीएस की पकड़ती है
components
तो
and
अपन वहां
props of
चले जाएंगे और फिर
React.js,
अपन पढ़ाई करेंगे।
state and hooks of React.js, and routing which you will get
तो
into React.js, and API integration and responsive UI development, and into Node.js, which is basically into backend.
अच्छा दिख रहा।
So like you'll learn about the Node and Express basics, which are
हाँ
basically for the
अच्छा
beginners.
दिख रहा
And
है।
after that, will walk you through the server side development at Node.js, and you'll also learn about REST API creation and authentication and
ठीक
authorization,
है।
front-end back-end integration into Node.js. And coming to the last part of our syllabus, which is MongoDB, which is basically into database. So herein you'll learn about the NoSQL concepts, database designs, CRUD operations, and MongoDB with Node.js. So this is the full syllabus that we'll cover into our training program. Okay, so this is the syllabus. Now coming to the learning outcomes which you'll learn. Okay, so the learning outcomes, let me just walk you through. Like by the end of this program, you will be able to develop a full stack application independently. So let me just call you like so this is the thing. So the learning outcome which you'll learn is like you will be able to build a complete full stack application, which is like very important at the end of the day of like you have gone through all the learning part of the front end back end, and at the end of the day you will be able to build a full stack application, and you'll understand the real world development workflow. Like you'll as will be providing you with the real world examples,
हाँ करो।
so you will be able to understand the real world development workflows. Like in the coding area you will be able to understand the real world development areas, and you will also gain projects and internship experiences, as we are also providing internship
6 बज गए क्या?
opportunities
अरे
to
बाप
the
रे पता ही नहीं
ones
चला।
who have performed very well into the into this program. And at the end of the day you will become job ready for IT roles in the IT sector. So these are the
बहुत
learning outcomes
अच्छा
that you
लगा
will
तो
gain
मत।
from this program. Okay, so
नहीं
why
गरम
should you
गरम था।
join? Who should join? So basically, the one who
तैयार
are
होने में ही
into
टाइम लग रहा
IT,
था उसमें।
CS, who are doing MCA, BCA students, these
अरे हाँ
students like
मीठा।
can join this program.
अरे
Fresh
ये डाल दो।
graduates who want to learn full stack development, and who are basically interested into
अभी नहीं बाद में
full stack development for
काम खत्म
back end
होगा
and
फिर।
front end, they can also go through this program. And the beginners in web development can also join this program, and anyone who is aiming for a full stack developer role can join this program.
ठीक है।
Okay, so let me just walk you through the end of this session. So to conclude, this full stack training development training and internship program at Flickr Technology is is a golden opportunity for anyone who wants to start and upgrade their career in IT sector. So the you will gain practical skills, real-time project experiences, industry recognized certificates, paid industry internship opportunity. So I strongly encourage you to review all the details carefully at the end of the day and read everything properly before signing and enrolling into the session. And if you're passionate about technology and learning new things, and you're basically passionate about getting into learning for coding part, you can definitely go for Flickr Technology, and it is the right place for you all. So I just at the end of the day, I just want to
सर्वर
thank
बघितलं तर
thank you
ऑनलाईन
all.
आज ही पेमेंट करणार
So this is the thing. Thank you
हाँ
all so
जगह
much
से
for
नहीं
your
लास्ट
है
डेट आ
time,
गई
and I'm
हाँ
looking
लास्ट डेट
forward
आ
to
गई
welcome you
कब
all and join us at
25 को
the
ही हो गई थी पर
at
लेट हो
Flickr
गई
Technology.
अच्छा
So this is Lavanya, the HR manager at Flickr
और
Technology.
व्यू
So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the
मैंने
upcoming
सर्वर
batch.
बंद कर
Thank
देना
you.
ना परसों कर देना एकदम अर्जेंट में तो नहीं कर पाया मैं भी
हाँ तो बोला नहीं था।
पता नहीं अब तो भी आ रहा है